Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Leray and this is my story. Growing up in a large family of seven siblings, I am the youngest and I learned the importance of perseverance and resilience. My father, Antonio Isleray, is a hard-working farmer and my mother, Perlita Antolaray, is a housewife instilled in us the value of family unity and support. Though we weren't wealthy, we always had food on the table, and my parents taught us that true wealth lies in the love and care we shared. My mother could be strict when it comes to chores. I learned to stay silent when she was angry, accepting her words even though it hurt me inside. This experience taught me the value of patience and understanding, especially in the face of difficult emotions. And my father, a wise and supportive figure, always encouraged me to pursue my dreams. And when he says, don't give up, and focus on your goals, don't let others people's opinion bring you down. So his words become my guiding principle, reminding me that my worth isn't defined by external validation. However, there were times when hurtful comparison we made, like when I was compared to my neighbor neighbor who was considered both beautiful and intelligent. I knew that my true value lay in my own unique qualities and achievements, not in my opinions or not in the opinions of others. No, my parents' faith, its imperfections, has been my constant source of strength. They taught me the importance of hard working, resilience, and self belief. Then lessons that I carry with me even today. So that's all. That's all I want to share. Bye.